Now next is nomenclature of alkynes, and we have to select the longest chain that contain a triple bond. Alkyne mean hydrocarbon that contain triple bond. As in this case, carbon triple bond will be present. Okay. Now consider this example: CH3 carbon and triple bond and carbon hydrogen. Triple bond is present, so this will be straight and this is all straight chain. We will start numbering from that end of the carbon which contains least number. Starting from here, 1, because it will contain these numbers, 2, 3. Now if we write the name of this compound, first we have to write the number of the compound, and that is 1. 1 and 3 carbon are present, it means propyne. It is a propyne because it is a triple bond containing compound. Propyne. Y and E at the end of the compound indicates the presence of triple bond. Now if we consider next example, now carefully look at this example. It contains a triple bond and subsequent as well. So we have to select that longest chain which contains triple bond and a subsequent. Okay. Now we will start numbering from here because triple bond will get least number from here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Now while writing the name of this compound, we have to write the number of the substituent first, that is 5, and the name of substituent methyl, then number of the triple bond 1, and the name of the parental compound, that is hex. Hex is indicating that 6 carbon are present, and then Y and E, it is indicating that it is an alkyne because it contains a triple bond. Now consider next example. Now if more than one triple bond are present, then like alkene, we will use the general term alka diene, Y and E. Okay, according to it we will write the name of this compound. Before writing the name, we have to number, and we can start numbering from either way. 1 for the triple bond is at the same position, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Okay, first we have to write the numbers of triple bond, first carbon and then fifth carbon. We are moving in this way, so we will write 5 number of the triple bond, not 6. Okay, then according to the general term alka and 6 carbon are present, it means it is hexa. Now di, because it contains 2 triple bond, and at the end Y and E, 1,5-hexadiene. This will be the name of this compound. Now if double and triple bond both are present in a compound, then we will write the name N or ine, N and ine at the end of the parental compound. Now consider these two examples. In this case, triple bond is getting least number. We will start numbering from here. Single bond is present, and in this case double bond is getting least number. So we will start numbering from here. Again single bond is present. Okay, start in this case, start numbering 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. If we write the name of this compound, then we have to indicate the number of position of double and triple and double bond. In this case, double bond is present at third carbon. We will write 3. 5 carbon are present in the parental compound, so we will write pan. It is indicating 5 carbon. Now at the end, En, at third carbon double bond is present, we will write N with this position. And next hyphen, first carbon, at first carbon triple bond is present, we will write for Y and E for triple bond Y and E. There is no need to write again the name of the parental compound. Okay, in this case, we start the numbering we start from here 1 2 3 4 and 5. Again it is pentane, and we'll start at the start double bond is present and third carbon triple bond is present. Okay, again we will write we have to write the name of alkene first, double bond. Okay, at first carbon double bond is present, we will write 1, again pen EN T, because it is 5 carbon containing compound, 1 pentane En indicating double bond at this position, first position. Then third carbon, which is indicating the position of triple bond, so Y and E at the end. Okay, now the last example. Now in case if double and triple bond are present at the same position, then double bond is given the lower number. Double bond is present at the start of the chain, again triple bond is present at this start. We will prefer that and the chain which contain double bond. We will start numbering from here 1 2 3 4 and 5. Now we have to write the name of the subsequent first, that is 3 methyl, again hyphen. Now we have to write name according to these examples. At first carbon double bond is present, we will write 1, and this is pentane, because it contains double bond, triple bond and single bond. 5 carbon atoms are present, so we will write pen PNT, and for the indication of double bond we will write N, like these two examples, and then hyphen 4 to indicate the position of triple bond, and then Y and E to indicate that there is present a triple bond.